That's Frankfurt over there. I think. If it's not, then we'll soon find out, I suppose. Just going to make sure that the nav radios are set. Which they are. Excellent. So we've got a relatively long straight approach into Frankfurt. So when we get to decel here, if approach phase doesn't automatically activate, we'll activate it, put flaps 1 about here, flaps 2 about here, gear down. What's it telling me now? Speed brake's still out and I don't need it anymore. Okay, that's fine. Flaps 2 about here, gear down, flaps 3, and then we'll be ready for landing. That's Frankfurt. I just want to keep on my sense of direction to make sure that I continuously know where Frankfurt is. But yeah, just trying to make sure that I maintain visual contact with it, just in case. For some strange reason I need to manually take control of the aircraft. I need to land manually, which might happen. It probably won't, but it might happen. You never know. So, yeah. I always do find descent to be a bit more boring than... Is that an airfield down there? Looks like it. Oh well. But I do always find descent to be a lot more boring than... what's it called? Ascent, as such, or initial climb. Because there's not really much to do until you get to approach, to be honest. But I guess what you can do is talk, which is what I seem to be doing now, and I'm doing quite a lot of it, but it's awkward because I have nothing more to talk about. There's some water down there through the right-hand window, through the left-hand window rather. There's some more water, and a few roads, and quite a lot of fields. Yeah, this is what I mean. Unfortunately to my knowledge, we haven't passed through any clouds, and I do like the looks of the new detailed clouds which we've got. I would have quite liked to see how they look when you fly straight through them. Change to 1013. So far so good. Everything seems to be working as per expected. I think that's Frankfurt. Once again. Oh, and we're below 10,000 now, so... There we go. Just having a look over here. Let's ding the cabin to tell the... Cool. Let's dim the cabin to tell the flight attendants that we are nearing approach, I suppose. Right, so hopefully this will activate approach phase for us. Ever so sorry about that. No it hasn't. Activate approach phase. Confirm approach phase. Excellent. Right. Here's all the auto-gen randomly spawning in a bit late. Once again, probably because I'm recording. Flaps 1. It's on the ground spoilers. It's obviously Frankfurt city over there. Don't seem to have anything on the ILS as of yet, which is a bit weird.
$2,500.
No idea why that is. Kind of weird. That's why. 110.7. There we go. I thought I'd got it wrong. The course is actually 250 as well. It's directly on. There we go. That's that sorted. Here we go. Gear down. Flaps 2. Once the gear's down, we'll go flaps 3.